Hey everybody, it's I Want2Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at installing OctoPrint, a web UI to control your 3D printer on Windows. To begin, we need to download the latest release of Python 3.11 for Windows, as well as the Visual Studio Build Tools installer. Navigate to your Downloads directory and launch the Visual Studio Build Tools installer. Click Continue to configure the Build Tools installer and wait for it to download its files. Once the UI loads, select individual components from the top, then filter the list to C++ x64/x86 build tools. Check the box next to the latest available version. Next, filter the list to Windows SDK. Check the box next to the latest available SDK. With both components selected, click Install at the bottom right of the screen. Once the components are installed, we can close out of the Visual Studio installer. Back in your Downloads directory, launch the Python installer. Check the box to add python.exe to path, then click Customize Installation. Make sure pip, PyLauncher, and For All Users are checked, then click Next. Check the top 5 advanced options. Change the install location to C Program Files Python, then click Install. Once the installation completes, click Close. Next, launch Powershell as administrator. We'll start by creating a directory for OctoPrint to live in. We'll be using C apps OctoPrint in this example. Then we'll cd to the new directory. We'll create a new Python virtual environment and then activate it. Now using pip, we'll install the wheel package. With wheel install, we'll use pip to install OctoPrint. Once the build process completes, we can test our OctoPrint installation by running OctoPrint serve. When prompted, allow Python to have network access. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the host, :5000. We now have OctoPrint up and running. Let's take it a step further and have it start with the system. Back in PowerShell, press Ctrl+C to kill the running OctoPrint process. Copy the startup configuration from the video description, then launch a text editor. Paste the startup script, then save the file as startup.bat in the OctoPrint directory. Then close out of the text editor. From the Start menu, search Tasks and launch the Task Scheduler. Right-click on the Task Scheduler library folder and select Create Basic Task. Give the new task a name and optionally a description, then click Next. Select the When the Computer Starts option for the trigger, then click Next. Leave Startup Program selected, then click Next. Paste the path to the startup.bat file we just created as the program, then click Next. Check the box to open the Properties dialog, then click Finish. In the Properties dialog, click the Change User or Group button, then enter System and press Enter, then click OK. Right-click on the newly created task and select Run. Back in the web browser, refresh the OctoPrint tab to verify the application's up and running with the new scheduled task. Once the welcome screen loads, click Next. Complete the form to create an administrator account by entering a username and password. Click the Create Account button, followed by clicking Next. Choose if you'd like to enable or disable the online connectivity check, then click Next. Choose if you'd like to enable or disable the anonymous usage tracking, then click Next. Choose if you'd like to enable the plugin blacklist processing, then click Next. Click Next on the classic webcam wizard, default printer profile, and server command screens. On the Finish screen, make sure to check the I have read and understood this boxes, then click Finish. Welcome to OctoPrint, running natively on Windows.